What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do, baby? What it do? What it do, my friends? It's your boy BK Rob. It's B to the K. Wait, another watch a new reaction video for you. So listen, I understand it has been a very long time since I did a watch a new reaction video for you. But anyway, today I have another watch a new banger. Okay, before we do, I want you to subscribe. Make sure you like this video and make sure you share, and also let me know in the comment section below what other watch your new videos or any other artists you want me to do. Okay, make sure you post the link. Okay, and I want to thank you so much, and let's begin. Ooh, that's my man. Look at that. Damn.
就让我听着天大的道理，不愿意明白。
What you knew?
有什么是应该，不应该？
Damn. Wait, other thing I gotta say, I wish I understood what he is saying in this song. I wish I did, but anyway. Yeah, it's in Chinese, but if you know, let me know in the comment section below, okay? If you know what he's saying, because I don't speak Chinese. But anyway, let's get back to this. And make sure you subscribe right now, baby. Woo! Wow, man. Y'all saw that? Listen, I have been saying this for a very long time since I came across what you know. This man, he is one of the most complete artists. This man is complete in terms of how he performs and also sings. You know what I mean? He is complete. Like, listen, this performance right here, I don't have a word to describe it. It was simply breathtaking. I love the lights. You know what I'm saying? Those colorful, beautiful lights. You know what I'm saying? All changing and stuff. You know, I love it. You know, and the audience and the crowd, man, they were pumped up as well. You know what I'm saying? With excitement. You know, and what you know, he was so at ease like usual, so composed, man. I'm like, damn, man. And I love the instrumentals too. Tin, 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 tin. I think it was beautiful, beautiful instrumentals. You know what I'm saying? Now, the only thing I didn't like was that I don't speak Chinese, so I don't like. I didn't understand what he was saying in the song. But aside from that, you know, I think it's a great song. You know what I'm saying? And it's a great performance by what you know. Once again, you feel me? I want to thank you so much. God bless, and make sure you leave me some links on some of what your newest videos. Okay? Let me know in the comment section below. And I want to thank you. God bless, and I'm gonna catch you later. Make sure you subscribe right now, baby. You feel me?